Hi everybody, I'm Saju Thomas. Today I'm going to take class about our nation, India. India is our nation. See the picture of India from the bottom to top. All the area you just watch it. If you are a student, this study is better for you. So I am going to explain our nation. Here is written about India. Means we are going to study about India. India is our country. We live in India. So India has some other names. It is written Bharat, Hindustan. India has also two other names, Bharat and Hindustan. But India is officially known the Republic of India. The Republic of India. India is in Asian continent. Then we are going to check the rank. India is the 7th largest country in the world. So we are going to study which countries are the other countries, largest countries. First, according to the rank, the first is Russia. Russia is the largest country in the world. Second, Canada. Third, China. Fourth, USA. Fifth, Brazil. Sixth, Australia. And seventh goes to India. So you just look at the board. You can understand that this area, total square kilometer. The Russia is 1 crore 70 lakh 98,246 kilometer square. Means 17 million, around 17 million. See, second Canada, 99 lakh 84,670 kilometer square. China, 95 lakh 72,900 kilometer square kilometer. USA 95 lakh 25,067 square kilometer. USA, United States of America, 95 lakh 25,067 square kilometer. Then Brazil, 85 lakh 15,767 square kilometer. Then Australia, 76 lakh 92,024 square kilometer. Then seventh goes to India. See, 32 lakh 87,263 kilometer square. Rank in the population. Total population in the world, India is the second populous country in the world, India. So first is China. You can write also this, around 143 crore, 18.59% total of the population in the world. India, 138 crore, 17.72% in total population. Then USA, 33 crore, 4.27. Then fourth, Indonesia, 27 crore. The percentage is 3.51. Fifth is Pakistan, 22 crore people. These are the first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth nations, the populous country. See, the total area of India is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer total area. The total area. Total area. See, north to south means from here, the top of India to the bottom of India. Here is north, here is south. North to south, the distance from here to here, the distance, see, 3,240 kilometer. Suppose a train or bus will go from here to here, 3,214 kilometer. Then east to west, 2,933 kilometer. Then land frontier, 15,000 kilometer. See, the Bangladesh, this area from here to, see, complete area, total area 4,096 kilometer. Then China, 3,488 kilometer. And here the Pakistan, our boundary, here the Pakistan, this area, 3,324 kilometer. Then Nepal, we are covering from here to Nepal, this area completely covered with this area. The distance, Nepal, 1,751 kilometer. Then Myanmar, see, the Myanmar, this area, 1,643 kilometer. And Bhutan, this area, total length of this area, see, 699 kilometer. Density, 405.8 per kilometer. Total area of water, 9.6%. Area of forest, 21.67%. See, which are the neighboring countries? These, you just watch it. The neighboring countries are Afghanistan and Pakistan in the northwest side. Afghanistan and Pakistan, this area. Afghanistan and Pakistan. See, the north side, China, Bhutan and Nepal. This area, China, Nepal, Bhutan. Then east side, Myanmar, Bangladesh. This, Bangladesh and Myanmar. So, in the south side, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Here is Sri Lanka and Maldives, this area. See, once again, neighboring countries, Afghanistan and Pakistan. The northwest, China, Bhutan and Nepal in the north, Myanmar, Bangladesh east side, and Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south side. You can also watch this area, the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal. Independence Day. India got independence from the British government 15 August 1947. 1947. India became a republic 26 January 1950. Then our national animal tiger, national bird peacock, national flower lotus, national fruit mango, national tree banyan tree, national flag tricolor tiranga, three colors saffron, white and dark green. National emblem lion capital. National anthem Janaganamana. Janaganamana is written by Rabindranath Tagore. National song Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. National currency Indian rupee. Calendar Sakha. National language Hindi. India's capital New Delhi. Recognized languages 22. Motto Satyameva Jayade. National river Ganga. The father of our nation Mahatma Gandhi. Students, I request you this information you can write in your copy and repeat and repeat. You can watch this video and you will get a good knowledge of general knowledge. We will explain the next video more information about our India state wise and biggest and highest and lowest. The next video, you do not forget to watch the next video. Thank you everybody.